Hi, I'm Karen with RainDance Massage and Reiki, located in Vancouver, Washington, winner of the Best of Vancouver in the massage category for the last 5 consecutive years. Today we're going to talk about what you should look for in a professional massage therapist. I would say the most important thing you want to look for is somebody that has a state license or they're credentialed. Not every state requires a massage therapist to have a license. As of 2014, Kansas, Minnesota, Oklahoma, Vermont, and Wyoming do not require any type of license or certification, so buyer beware. The other thing, or the next thing would be training in specific modalities that you want to have in your massage sessions, such as if you want myofascial release, or you want somebody that knows how to do lymph drainage, or somebody that does hot stone massage. Look for somebody that has the training and the type of modality that you're looking for, and that is usually found on the practitioners' websites, or if you're looking at the Massage Association, either ABMP or AMTA, they have a provider directory, and a lot of times they will list the different types of therapies that they do. So that's a good place to look. Also look for somebody that knows how to treat if you have a specific condition. If you have like diabetic neuropathy, or you have lymphedema, or a car accident injury, something like that, look for somebody that has training in those areas so that you're not wasting time and money seeing a practitioner that doesn't know how to treat your condition. And if you have a condition that you need to have, like you're using your health insurance, or if it's an auto accident, your auto insurance, and a claim needs to be submitted, make sure that the provider is credentialed with those organizations so that you can utilize their services for your condition, and they can submit the claim on your behalf. Also, I think it's really important to look at if they offer like session time. Like, make sure that you're going to get like an hour or 90 minutes or even 2 hours. Like, if you have a certain condition that's going to require additional time, make sure you're not going to a place that offers like 50-minute sessions. Like, sometimes clinic environments will do that. Sometimes like the chains, the massage chains like Massage Envy and Hand and Stone, they definitely do 50-minute sessions, and sometimes that's just not enough to treat what you have going on. So I personally think that you should check and make sure that they're actually doing an hour at a minimum, or if they're doing one body part, then 30 minutes fine. But if they're doing treating a specific condition, then I would strongly suggest making sure that you're getting at least an hour or 90 minutes, depending on what you've had or what you have going on. Next, I would say look for a place that has like a relaxing environment that's free of stress, that is relaxing to you. Some people don't mind more upbeat music, or if you go to like a spa and they're doing hair and they've got blow dryers going on in the background, sometimes that doesn't bother you. But if it does, then that's not the right environment. Massage therapists work really hard to create a safe space for people and a relaxing environment, but sometimes there could be other things going on in that facility that aren't really conducive to that. So I would look for something that kind of matches your vibe as far as a safe space. Also, find a therapist that respects your boundaries. We talked in a previous session about feedback and the importance of that, and if a massage therapist is working too deep, or you don't like what they're doing, or there's an area you don't like touched, like your feet are super ticklish and you don't want that massaged, make sure you let them know, and they should respect those boundaries. They shouldn't be saying, oh, well, that's damaged tissue and we really need to work that out, or that's it won't hurt as bad next time, just breathe through it, or, well, it's really important to have foot massage, so I'm going to work here regardless of whether you're ticklish or not. I mean, that's not okay. You're the customer, you're the one that's paying the bill. You should be able to dictate what your boundaries are and what you want or don't want out of the session. So definitely, I think that's a strong point. Also, I personally do this in my practice, but I think it's important that you find a therapist that is willing and able to customize your session to your specific needs. If you come in there with, neck and back pain, but they are insisting on working on your legs, instead, or, in addition to is okay, because you've got compensatory issues, if you've got low back pain, you probably have tight quads. You know, if you've got tight neck, you probably have tight shoulders. I mean, there's a lot of correlation in the body, but make sure that somebody is working to your specific needs, and not just what they want to do. You don't want like the cookie cutter massage. You want something that's customized to you specifically and what you need. And preferably if you can find somebody that has an innate sense of touch, because that's something that can't be taught. Either they have it or they don't. And how you would know whether they do or not is, you know, if they're doing a massage stroke and they're hitting bone, which is pretty painful, that's not innate sense of touch. If they are, you know, working really fast and not working with your body as you're, you know, massage therapists should be able to feel when a muscle is relaxing. So, you know, if they've got your elbow in there, in, you know, a muscle like in your back or something, and it's not giving, they shouldn't be proceeding on. They should be waiting for that muscle to relax. And some should be able to tell that, or everybody should be able to tell that, but some massage therapists don't have that innate sense of touch. And I think that kind of treads into the area where people can get hurt, where they're working too deep, too fast, and, you know, not properly warming up the body, things like that. That could lead to soreness in the post-massage situation. I would say it's okay to call and ask questions of the therapist, or go and try them out. If you have one session with them, you're not obligated to continue with them if it's not a fit. And ask them questions about their background or their approach to massage, or how they would treat something specifically. You know, it's okay to call and like kind of interview them. That's okay. And, you know, massage therapists understand that we can't be the perfect provider for every client. And most of us network with other massage providers too, so that, you know, like in my case, if somebody wants to come to me, but they want really super deep work, and I'll work to the point where it's deep enough until it's too deep, and I can see that it's too deep. If somebody's like hyperventilating, if they're gripping the sheet, if they're flinching, that's too deep. So I'll work to somebody's depth that's comfortable, that is responsive to their tissue. But some people come in and they say, I want to be beat up. I want to feel like I've had a massage, like I've been beat up. And if I'm okay if I'm sore after that, I'm not the right massage therapist for that person. So I know people that work a lot deeper than I do, and I'm more than happy to refer them out. Or if somebody wants some specific thing like scar tissue mobilization, you know, I don't specialize in that. So I know people that do, and I'm happy to refer them out. So don't be afraid, you know, if you try somebody out and they're not your cup of tea, feel free to ask them, you know, this is what I need, you know, can you make a recommendation? And they may say, well, you know, let me try again. You know, I could do deeper next time, or I can, you know, I know a little bit about that, like, you know, I mean, and then you can judge whether you want to have them do that or not. But they should be willing to refer you out if you really want to be referred out. That should not be a problem with a massage therapist. I would say that the biggest thing is just to make sure that you remember you're the customer, and you're the one that's paying the bill, and you're the one that has the need. So, you know, be sure to be clear on what you're looking for. And if the massage therapist can accommodate that, and you feel like there's, you know, a good energetic connection or a personality click or whatever, you like that environment particularly, you know, that's all good things. I think that's it. I think that's all I have to say on that. So anyway, hopefully that information was helpful. Again, feel free to leave me comments or ask questions in the comments below. If you'd please like, share, and subscribe when I get this on YouTube, I would really appreciate it. So that's all for now, and